Try and go round without doing that. That's the first time she's ever rode a bike like that. First time she's done it. Maybe if they're doing anything like that. You get the full bike in three or least. Good girl. Well done.